Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Luxe Party Favors by Nikki, where I bring to you fun and current tutorials specifically for party favors. But today I have a super cute tutorial for you just in time for Teachers Appreciation Week. But first things first, I do want to apologize because I did miss a week. I did not post last Monday, but I did post a short, so I didn't leave you completely hanging, but I had an idea for last week and it didn't come to fruition, so I had to shelve it, and I'll bring it back when I tweak some things and figure out how to make it look the way I want it to. So in the interest of time, I'm not going to go over all of the materials. I'm just going to go ahead and put the materials that I use right in the box below, but I do want you to comment. Let me know if you prefer for me to go over all the materials before I actually get into the tutorial, or just get right to the tutorial and just list everything in the box below. And I always include links. Okay, I'm gonna bring over my images that I already have printed out. So this is gonna be for chapstick, and I purchased this bag from Amazon. And again, I'll link it. This is gonna actually go around the chapstick. This is gonna be for some hand lotion, and it smells so good. Let me show you what it looks like, because it comes sealed, which is perfect. And I know some people don't actually like this type of lotion because, you know, you're constantly touching it, but if it's just for you, it's fine. And I have this for the sanitizer. And so this package, or this little gift, is going to be specifically for my son's teacher, so I already have her name on it. And I have this glue stick. It might be a little big, but we're going to see how this is going to work for the chocolate. The glue stick is a little bigger than I want it to be. We will see. I'll wrap it up and then I'll decide if I want to redo it. So we're just going to go ahead and get this started. Like I said, I already cut out everything, so that just makes the video go a little quicker. Okay, so we're going to get through the easy stuff first. I'm just going to go ahead and peel off the back of this label and stick it right on top. You can either stick it right on top of the label that you already have, or remove the label on the original image and put it on there. But I'm just gonna stick it right on top. It should fit exact. And let me know if you would like me to make this available. The digital is available for purchase, and you can edit it and print it out and create your own. How adorable is that? So cute. Let me know in the comments. If I get enough comments, I will create it. About five comments would do. Look at that, that's so cute. And then I'll make the digital available for you all. So this is pretty simple. Like I said, I already cut everything out, so it's just going to speed up the video a little bit. But if I create the let me get my words out. If I create the digital images for you all you have to worry about is cutting it out. You don't have to worry about sizing or anything. I absolutely love this Dove lotion. Oh my God, it smells so good. And it comes with different sizes, boxes of 5, 12, I think 24 as well. And it's just such a good gift. All right, just gonna wrap this around. Sometimes this gives me some trouble. It doesn't, I have to re-stick it a couple times if it doesn't wrap around perfectly. Let's see. Sometimes it's easier just to completely take the wrapping off and adhere it. Let's see if that's gonna work. because I want it to be perfectly aligned with the top and the bottom. Uh-oh, that works. That kind of works. And then that just acts as a little seal. Miss Celebrino. Cute, cute, cute. And so when they twist it off, it'll twist off the why is that so short? Oh, maybe I'm seeing things. Never mind. It's perfect. I thought that it was too short, but it's not. It's the right size. I'm going crazy. Yeah, because you want that part to be at the bottom of the cap. So when they twist the cap off, then this little gray piece will come off. But I guess my eyes are playing tricks on me. Okay, so we have that, and that's gonna go here. So, so cute. So let me grab the dome so we can do the dome. All right, so here's the chapstick dome, and this can also be used as a money holder dome. I've used this as a money holder as well. So there's one that's already available for me on the back. I'm not gonna use that one. Oops, sorry about the shaking. Just gonna go ahead and stick these on the sides. I've also sold these empty and allow the customer to just put it together and put the money in it. When I've sold money, the money holders in the past, especially for Christmas. All right, just line that up. Let's put the next one on. I need to find some that are already put together. That would be great. I'm gonna have to scour Amazon again. But this has been working for me so far. And you just peel off the paper on the top and it exposes the adhesive. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and plop it right on there. Let me get down a little closer. Okay. How cute. How cute is that? All right, I want to do one more thing to this. Actually, you know, I was going to do the sides and put the little, the hole punch in the middle, but I'm not. I'm just going to keep it like this because this is actually pretty cute as is. And I want it to continue to look like a piece of paper. Okay, so next we're going to move to the chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this like I do pretty much all of my treats. Just fold it on the seam. This is the largest glue stick ever. I hope it fits in my little container that I purchased. And I'm gonna show you this container. It's so stinking cute. I should have made the glue stick a little smaller. If I add this to my digital shop, I'm gonna probably make a few changes. All right, let me get my paper cutter and cut this because it's a little too large. So when I took out my paper cutter, I realized that it might actually fit just fine when I put it in. Maybe I'll just put it in and then wrap it around. Because usually I kind of make a little pocket and then slide the chocolate or the item inside. But for this, I think I'm just going to just put a little glue tape on the back. And stick it on. And then I'm going to put some glue tape on the other side as well. Okay, so we have this large glue stick. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to use my glue gun. It's just not giving what I wanted to give. Okay, let me grab my glue gun. Okay, so the glue gun is warm. Let's go ahead and see what happens here. I may have to go ahead and make the pocket like I wanted to. We'll see. I'm making this in real time. This is not one that I'm gonna throw out or anything, so. I'm going to use my paper crimper and see how this turns out. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and crimp the ends. Not crimp it. Trim it with my zigzag scissors. You know, the candy is making it a little lumpy and I don't like that. I mean, it's cute, but the candy inside is lumpy, so the package is lumpy, and that kind of bothers me. But the size actually is perfect for the candy. I don't know, look for some other candy ideas that's not as lumpy, but this actually, I'm gonna give this to the teacher because it's still a cute concept. But I just wish the candy inside wasn't so lumpy. But it's fine, I guess. But you know, the perfectionist in me is kind of going a bit crazy. But I know, you know, the package is gonna take the shape of the item that's inside. Okay, let me stop rambling. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is put everything in this super cute little apple container. How adorable is this? I purchased these from Amazon. They were on sale for $13 for 4 of them. I think the original price is $16, so I just purchased a couple of them just in case. And if I don't sell them, then I'm going to return it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use to put everything in. But first, let's put some red shredded paper inside. All right, I have my shredded paper, and I got this from Amazon as well. It came in this pack, and it was super compressed. And so when you cut it, the air is released, and so it expands. So just going to throw that paper in there. And one thing, also the apple comes disassembled. The top comes off, and that allows the packaging of the apple. So just something to know when you get it, if you decide to go this direction. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these items in, and I decided not to use the chocolate bar just because it's too big. I may add some different candies in here, not sure. I may add a gift card, actually. I'm gonna put this in the back, just like that, because I think that gives it a cute little look. And when I put cellophane on it, it's gonna suck everything up and it's not gonna fall off. But all of these items are completely usable, and the packaging is cute. And that includes this container because the teacher can use this for paper clips, small erasers, candy for her students, and so much more. The chocolate was way too big. It's just too big for this container. So I'll be looking for some other ideas, but how cute is this? So how adorable is this little gift, either for your children's teachers or for your customers? It's so stinking cute. And like I said, everything is usable. You know, I started off with the idea of adding that chocolate bar in there, but sometimes things change and that's okay. I'm gonna look for some other ideas. Maybe some little square chocolates would fit better. But In the meantime, here you are. I certainly hope that you like this super quick tutorial. And if you want me to go ahead and create a digital, just let me know. Like I said, just go ahead and say, yes, please, let's get a digital. And I'll go ahead and pop it in my digital shop for you all to just use and just update the information on there. The base will stay the same and you can just update the names on there. So this is all I have. Thanks so much. If you haven't done so already and you like my content, I would love for you to subscribe, like, tell a friend, share, and if you're feeling up to it, go check out my other socials as well. I do post different content on my Instagram and my TikTok, and my Facebook is just struggling. So go check them out. The links are in the description as well. Have a wonderful day.